Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So today, as part of our Battle Royale series, we are going to see what happens when we put ocelots against chickens. Okay, so what we have here is we're going to have on this side of the corner, we're going to launch a bunch of chickens. And this side, we're going to launch some ocelots. Now, we're going to keep the ocelots are kind of like tigers or something like that. So, yeah, they're pretty much going to dominate. So, we're just going to give a little bit of these guys, not too many, but we're going to do mass quantities of the chickens. All right, so we have this all set up. What we're doing, we have the chest feeding through a hopper full of those things to a dispenser. And then what we're going to do is fire up the dispenser. We have it over here with the timer thingamajigger like that. All good. Go like this. There it is. We got it started. We got the chickens going. Wow, look at those chickens go. Wow. All right. Go chickens go. All right, we're going to give them a little bit of a head start here. Let's see. Just a beautiful thing. Chickens everywhere. Do I need more chickens? I don't know. I don't think you can ever have too many chickens until they overload your computer. Let's see. Chickens. Let's go. Try some more. Okay. Okay, like that. Just throw some more chickens in there for good measure. Okay, hear the computer firing up. All right, we got a bunch of chickens. All right, it's time to fire up the other side. Let's see what happens. Here is the ocelot side. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I have a feeling I am not pronouncing it right, but tough patooties. All right, go like this. Here it is. There they go. Okay, I have chickens, ocelots. Okay, oh, they're attacking the chickens. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. But what's interesting is these ocelots are going all over the place. They're jumping off. What the heck? Oh, I don't know. Maybe the chickens will survive because these ocelot things are like going all over the place. So let's see. They're running down, jumping down the hill to chase chickens. Wow. Crazy, man. Let's see. See what's going on here. Oh, geez. It's not good. I wonder what happens if I put some wolves in here. Let's see. Let's see what I can do here. All right, let's see. We're going to go here. Wolves. Let's see. Can we spawn some wolves? Where are the wolves? These guys, yeah. Let's do some wolves. All right, let's spawn some wolves on there. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay, got a few wolves should be coming out. Okay, what are the wolves gonna do? That's funny, you hear them just go thump as they hit the ground. Wow, look at all that chicken. Yeah, the ocelots are like dominating the chickens. Well, let's see, what are the wolves doing? Are the wolves attacking the chickens too? Oh my gosh, the poor chickens. Who can I get to help defend the chickens? I don't think anyone. Oh man, it's not good. Stupid chickens. Poor chickens. I mean, they taste good. They're good for eating. Let's see what else we can put in here. I think they'll eat some villagers instead, maybe. Maybe the villagers. What will happen to villagers? So we got some chickens still coming out. Oh, they're just getting dominated really quick. I think the wolves are eating the chickens too. That's not good. That's not good. What is that? Wolves? Oh, I got wolves over there. I thought I was going to spawn some villagers. Villager. Huh. Okay, it must be full. Let's see. What else can we do? Spawning rabbits? Oh, that's not good. Let's see what else we can spawn here. Think the rabbits have a chance? Not. Okay. Now there's a hopper full of... Okay, now we got rabbits going in there. Like that. All right. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Wow. It's just getting sort of anarchy. The wolves and ocelots are going. What will take care of those wolves and ocelots? Let me go look this up on the website. Let's see. Infighting. Monster infighting. Let's see. Who will take on wolves? Let's see. Ocelots and cats attack chickens. Let's see. Withers attack. Let's see. Does anything attack the cats? No. Now, if I can make llamas, but I can't make llamas. I don't see llama spawners in there. Let's see. Foxes, snow golems, zoglins. Very complicated. No, I don't think there's anything. I think the only thing I can say is, yeah, it's all messed up now. Computer's going to lock up. It's not going to work. All right. Time to TNT this sucker. All right, let's see. Maybe I don't want to TNT it. Maybe I just want to... Let's see this. Okay. Wow, look at that mess. What is going on? All right. I think I need to put an end to this. What are they going to do? Oh, I know what I need. I need a empty one too, right? There it is. All right, crazy. All right. That's it. Shutting this down. Shutting it down. That's it. Lava. Lava. We're going to shut it all down. Clean this mess up. Oh my goodness. Well, there you go. That was just pretty brutal. Try to clean it up. See if we can clean this. Let's see what we're doing here. Well, yeah, I think that's it for this. I don't think this is working. I'm not sure what it's doing. Horrible. Okay, well, I think at this point, it's time to add some TNT to the mix. Let's see. Okay, let's try this. Still have chickens coming in. All right, that's going to be it. Now it's going. Now things are changing. All right, that's it. Here it is. Oh, that's it. Oh. Well, problem solved. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at those foxes still down here. Still some of them hanging out. Hey, everything's cool. Nothing to worry about, right? No financial crisis. Nothing to worry about. You're not worried about nothing, are you? Yeah, I hear you, bro. Okay. Yeah, I think maybe I need to upgrade to a different version. This is like a really old version. I don't feel like upgrading the version of Minecraft I'm playing, but I'm sure this is pretty old. So, I mean, I could upgrade in there to be maybe different groups of animals to battle with each other. That's what I was thinking. So, just that's it. Okay. There we go. Mission accomplished. There we go. All right. Well, that was productive. Snowball action. East Coast had some snow this week. Very cool. I'm in San Diego, so no, I don't get any snow. No snow at all for me. None at all. But I was thinking, like, to go to the mountains, right? Unbelievable. Like, I would like, okay, well, maybe I'll go to like Snow Summit, and it's like, okay, cool. Like, so they're trying to charge $99 a day for a single day lift ticket. It's like 99 bloody dollars. It's like you're kidding me. And then it's funny, they always do this thing. They always do this thing where it's like, oh, if you want to turn in your ticket early, we'll give you a voucher. So here you go. You spend $99 for a lift ticket. And then if you turn your ticket in by like 1 p.m., they'll give you a voucher for like $10. And it's a voucher that lasts for whatever, maybe even a season, but still, you never end up using it. You're like, who the hell has $100 for a single day lift ticket? And it's not like, look, it's like Big Bear. It's not like it's like Mammoth Mountain, or it's not like someplace in Vermont or something like that. It's like the snow's good, trails are, everything's fine. It is fun, and so it's kind of cool. And then they have a lot of parks, like snowboard parks for hitting jumps and all that stuff. That's all good, and it's pretty fast in the morning. But by the time you come to, I mean, by the time afternoon comes around, the sun comes out. It's like it's very cold in the morning, but basically it's like, look, the snow starts melting. It's just the way it is. It's Southern California still. You can't really hide from it, But yeah, so it's like, okay, so they like, oh, you can get a voucher if you want to come back. It's like $10, like $100 for a single day. It's like, you're kidding me. But I don't know. I might want to really go because I'm like, hey, if this COVID thing, if like they basically, if maybe it's not going to be that crowded, that would be kind of cool. Or maybe it's not that crowded because people don't have $100 freaking bucks to pay for a single day lift ticket. My goodness, crazy, man. Well, I think that's it for this channel. I think that's it for this episode. I think I made my point here. Spicoli.